Hey Pro Bono, good business crew. It's Claire to Zero here, and I'm dropping in with a really practical mental health tip for you and your team for this crazy year-end time. It's so hard to believe that it is December already. It's coming up to that time of the year where people are maybe celebrating, welcoming the new, farewelling the old, maybe celebrating Christmas, maybe celebrating in another way, just in a good old fashion appreciation of this Australian summer. I wanted to share with you just an insight into what this year can be like for some people. And you may already know this, but Christmas can be a really, really tough time for people. It's not all jingle bells and candy canes. Sometimes it can be the firsts for people. It's a time of reflection. So if people are maybe not in a great place, that can also bring up big questions as well. And it's also a time where organisations are often very quick to thank their team for the work they've done this year, and even quicker to mention the big plans or the big goals that they have for next year, 2020. And so what I wanted to really just highlight today was the importance around that thanks, that slowing down to go faster and actually giving people a genuine thanks for the work this year, and maybe saving that talk of the big plans for next year until next year. Like, actually close out this chapter mentally for people with genuine thanks, specific examples where possible. This actually makes new neurons fire in people's brain as they're experiencing this positive emotion, mean that they can actually finish their work year feeling on a real high. It's so important. So many organizations really miss this. And to help with this, if you really want to kind of take it to the next level, what I'm preparing for you is a little worksheet and a list of questions to help you and your team really reflect powerfully on the year that's been. All of the great stuff, all of the lessons, the things that had a bigger mental run up than they needed to, the things that didn't happen that you were relieved about. And these questions will land in your inbox in that last full week of December, that last full work week. So how do you get this list of questions? Well, jump on board the links below and sign up, and we'll get that into your inbox in that last full week of December, the 16th of December, that week starting then. And really help you give that chance for you and your team to really close out the year on that mental high. It's been so wonderful sharing tips with you this year. Hats off to the amazing crew at Pro Bono Australia for everything they do, the millions of words they write every year to keep us all posted of the important things happening in the sector, and of course giving you opportunities like this to really strengthen the mental health of you, your team and your loved ones as well in the most practical of ways. Thanks so much for being here. Jump on the list below and we'll be bringing our own little gift to you very soon. Thanks so much.